The sights and sounds of each firework explosion are the result of several different oxidation-reduction reactions taking place within the firework as it gains altitude. Oxidizers produce oxygen gas by mixing reducing agents and exciting the atoms of light-emitting compounds. The most commonly used oxidizers are nitrates, chlorates, and perchlorates. Nitrates are a major component of black powder because their oxidation does not result in the release of all available oxygen, so it is more controlled. Chlorates are much more explosive oxidizers. They can produce temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Celsius. Chlorates are much less stable than nitrates and are therefore much more dangerous to handle. Perchlorates are more stable and oxygen-rich than chlorates because the chlorine is bonded to the maximum number of oxygen atoms. Sulfur and carbon, which are the reducing agents, combine with the released oxygen to produce the energy of the exploding firework. These reactions produce a great deal of heat energy along with the gases released, which makes them more explosive.
Fireworks have been a traditional part of New Year's celebrations since they were invented by the Chinese almost 1,000 years ago. In ancient China, people believed that fire could disperse evil spirits. Sparks were a good omen, sound could frighten ghosts, and smoke could create a healthy atmosphere. Today, fireworks displays are seen on most holidays. Firecrackers are the original fireworks. In their simplest form, firecrackers consist of gunpowder wrapped in paper with a fuse. Gunpowder consists of 75% potassium nitrate, 15% charcoal or sugar, and 10% sulfur. The materials will react with each other when enough heat is applied. Lighting the fuse supplies the heat to light the firecracker. The charcoal or sugar is the fuel. Potassium nitrate is the oxidizer, and sulfur moderates the reaction. Carbon plus oxygen forms carbon dioxide and energy. Potassium nitrate, sulfur, and carbon react to form nitrogen and carbon dioxide gases and potassium sulfide.
The color red produces strontium salts, lithium carbonate, and strontium carbonate, and has a wavelength of 652 nanometers. The color orange produces calcium salts and calcium chloride and has a wavelength of 628 nanometers. The color yellow produces sodium salts, sodium chloride, and has a wavelength between 610 and 621 nanometers. The color green produces barium compounds and chlorine producers and has a wavelength of 589. The color blue produces copper compounds and chlorine producers and has a wavelength between 505 and 535 nanometers. The color purple produces a mixture of strontium and copper compounds and has a wavelength of 420 and 460 nanometers. The color silver produces a burning aluminum, titanium, or magnesium.
Since firecrackers are the original form of fireworks, the pressure from the expanding nitrogen and carbon dioxide inside the firecracker explode the paper of the firecracker. The loud bang that we hear is the pop of the wrapper being blown apart once it has been lit. Sparklers are also another form of fireworks. A sparkler consists of a chemical mixture that is molded onto a rigid stick or wire. Aluminum, iron, steel, zinc, magnesium dust, or flakes may be used to create the bright shimmering sparks that come off of a sparkler once it has been lit. The metal flakes begin to heat up until they are incandescent and shine brightly, or at a high enough temperature actually burn. A variety of chemicals can be added to create colors. The fuel and oxidizer are proportioned along with the other chemicals so that the sparkler burns slowly rather than exploding like a firecracker. Some modern fireworks are launched using compressed air as a propellant and exploded using an electronic timer, but most aerial shells remain launched and exploded using gunpowder. Gunpowder-based aerial shells essentially function like two-stage rockets. The difference is that the gunpowder is used to propel the firework into the air rather than explode in the tube. Baby, now
we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love.